So for today's video, I am going to clean out my fridge. I really put stuff like this off until I just can't handle it anymore. Last time I think I did a really good scrubbing, like a really good thorough scrub and clean all my fridge was last year. So it has been a while. So if you're one of those people that is super into the cleaning before and afters, I'm gonna have a good one for you today. If you guys have anything that you need to clean, or you're just cleaning your house or folding laundry or doing whatever, just put my video on in the background and let's clean together. Sound like a plan? Yes. So, I'm just gonna give you guys a little close-up on what we're working with. Not good. This is kind of embarrassing. Why do I do this to myself? Also, this is super gross. We're gonna clean that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with right now. This is a lot, and to make matters even better, my grocery delivery just arrived. So I'm gonna go through and take everything out from the bags on the table to help me organize the fridge a little bit better. Okay guys, this is a must. Before you put your bottles of condiments and stuff back in the fridge, make sure you clean off the bottom because a lot of them get so gross. Okay guys, so done. I'm honestly shocked. I think everything looks pretty good. I feel like I'm missing stuff. Like my fridge looks pretty empty compared to what it looks like, but I'm not mad about it. But down here is chicken, eggs. Over here are the veggies, fruits right here, drinks, stuff like that on the top left. Got rid of some of the condiments, so that helped a little bit. Super excited. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I get this off my fridge. I've tried everything. I only found one thing that works. There's an Instagram I follow, you guys, and I'll link it down below. I can't think of their name, but she's awesome. She has tons of cleaning tips. But I'll put her link for her Instagram in my description box. Go check her out, because most of the ideas that I use to clean I get from her. So I guess this is just like calcium buildup or from the water. I have no idea. But if you just take some vinegar and I just pour it in just a little bit. In there, and then let it sit for like 5 minutes. You'll be amazed at what happens. Okay guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, like a lot of it has come up. It's just kind of residual sitting on top of the vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Don't want any of the vinegar to get on the floor, so I'm gonna try to soak it up. Isn't that crazy? It just comes right up. I'm telling you guys, nothing else has worked for me. I mean, I haven't tried literally everything, but the fact that just plain old vinegar, which is an ingredient that a lot of us have just laying around in our pantry, works. So cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the rest of the fridge now. And to do that, I just use plain, a microfiber cloth and plain water, and I'll go in with that first, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this in the parts like that are just kind of really grimy and hard to clean with the water, and then after I will go back in with a cloth that has just water on it and wipe it down. Okay, and the next step is we're just gonna let that water dry completely. So give it about go do something else and give it about 15 minutes to dry. Okay, last step, ladies and gents, we are almost done. So then you're gonna go in with this stainless steel polish, and then you're gonna apply a good amount to your doors. Okay, so then I'm gonna go on some paper towels, and you're gonna go about left to right. Okay, so you see these streaks right here? As soon as this dries, they'll go away. You guys don't go back over the streaks like with a rag or anything to try to get them to go away. Just be patient and trust the process. Okay, so it's about 15 minutes later. This fridge is looking good. I mean, come on now. I'm laughing so hard because this fridge is so shiny that it's basically a mirror. all of that product, that polish absorbed just fine into the fridge. It is shining, looking like brand new. It looks so good. That stainless steel polish is such a good trick. If you have a stainless steel fridge, you need to go get it. But I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the refrigerator. Super happy with the way everything turned out. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Every time she wants to be a YouTuber. Hope you guys like this video. I feel really good now that my fridge is all organized and clean. Something about like just a clean, I mean the house isn't clean obviously, like just the fridge is right now, but just something about like being productive and like throwing stuff out and just clears your mind. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I'm going to be doing more videos like this, cleaning wise. I think my next video will be organizing my pantry. And that thing is a lot worse off than my fridge could ever be. So that's going to be interesting. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.